Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Figma team access for brand files, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your Figma application or go to the Figma website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the team workspace where your brand files are located. Locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner of your team page. Click on the settings icon to access your team settings. In the Team Settings menu, find the Access section. Here, you will see options for managing team access. Click on the Invite Members button to add users to your team. Enter the email addresses of the team members you want to authorize. Select the role you wish to assign to each member, like viewer or editor. After assigning roles, click the Send Invite button. The invited members will receive an email with a link to join the team. Ask your team members to check their email and accept the invitation. Once they accept, they will have access to the brand files. To check if team members have joined, return to the Access section. You should see their names listed under team members. If needed, you can also adjust their roles from this menu. Now, your team is authorized and ready to collaborate on brand files. Remember to communicate any updates or files that need attention. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.